Good morning, beautiful friends. Welcome back again to Lowe's Garden Center, which is I'm on the lookout for some gingers, but I'm waiting for the one I like, those ones, there's a mop head. They can't take sun at all. They said 6 hours sun, but you have to have a lot of shade, or they're not gonna survive. What's the price for those one? Oh, those are $30. $30, guys. They got some beautiful rose, which is I want to get some orange. I want to purchase like two nice orange rose orange. This not gonna start into dark and turn out to pink. I want orange. My soul is craving for some orange roses, but I think they don't have orange yet at Lowe's. They only have them at Home Depot. Oh my God, look at how beautiful those ones.
Alrighty, I'll check in. Yeah, we just like I said, we're only, yeah, just,
Look at how beautiful those ones.
and that's not for the weekend. We're trying to put everything back.
Oh my God, I feel like I want to give myself some presents. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Pink polka dots. Those are good. Really looking good. I think when I come back, I can get myself one of those ones, but not now. But I really like them. They are $21. And you have to have shade. If you don't have shade, don't even think about it. Beautiful specimen. I like them a lot. Let me go on this side.